Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Nongthoh po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakerdop ying jongpi.
UMLA jongka North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum haga arpu artari ubna jilleu arajar arpuway ula dawaya ka Sorkar bakadai banda Pynmih daka Jingpynbna ne ka official notification ka ba pentip pajba baka Sorkar kala ithoru ya ki Nongthoh Khubor jongka ni ka jilla Meghalaya kum ki Frontline warrior uba Adelbert Nongrum ula penpau yakane haba keren haga jinyelang balingkot Hashwaban IT yaki marbam bat yaka song pisa ka ba arpo hajar tengka sya ka Shillong Press Club khnang bakan dubla ban yarap lem yaki Nongthoh Khubor ki ba wan ki longying ki ba khamduna ka yok ka kot bat ki ba yakendo jinge hakum gane ka por baka khlam jingpang COVID-19 kala selat tenge yaka jilla Meghalaya hagane ka kenti
ni klemat nga simene kabu akhbat jopi ki parlok press media ki electronics part ki press person namanga sodai ko munong mikmat ko memali ladang ade tanaka way constituency lenga sodai ban phai khmat karpang chapi amar philai e lagi jong ki yegi sem bat phila long chai ta ki front line warrior haka kam ge jing sakri ge jong pi ti de hlo thanong rim ko ba ngasngu mangade ban ai ge jino senyang kum gada ke jing songu kum ka special recognition na ka banta ka service ke jong pi ko pi hapreng ni ki por bar ki por baro tiani klemat kini hijing ai jongai barit i essential commodities yaki parok press barah juga por nga kwa ru ya ban no senyang ya ka press club Shillong Press Club haka i amau ni barit i arpo hajar tengka kum kata kajing aiman siam kum kata kajing aiman siam bar ka dak kajing gedonang rekat okay at this very occasion I also like to remind our MDA government since they had made an assurance by our respected Deputy Chief Minister on the 27 May 2021 and also we are looking ahead that the government of the day will give a special recognition towards the press person whom they are given and they render their service towards the humanity, especially in this course of COVID. So I do feel that the government should come up, as they had made already an assurance, that they should come up with a clear notification, or official notification to our friends, so that they may know what are the benefits that they are going to avail. So I do feel that the government of the day should have sympathy for the spirit of rendering services towards the humanity. Pak Martin.
Ini gede jingai subhan iba Adelbert Nongrum saka Shillong Press Club arpo hajar saka. Playing kit bokit yang iba Adelbert Nongrum ba inangla ban sakri pa iba mai diwe ni nong mat nam to pa iba. Inangla su ban sakri kam ha su kam ni ha ba dei ba ka ba ka mer nang pa iba. Nakaliang Shillong Press Club ni ay public karpang ibi ba Adelbert ni sibon ba pa kmat sikinong patay ko boru ba se babon na preng jungki kidan preng kajing modern bikre ki kam ki baret barya ki ba kajing se ko lang ka badina ba ele se kani kajing phai kmat jopi kajing no jopi ya ka kaman sem ba kajing ay kiti kajang kiti kaman jopi ba kajing ra kiti kan no kajing ku ba kra kit ba kajing ba